Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another face mask Friday! And oh my god, it's been like forever, I feel, since I've actually sat down and like filmed a proper video. So the last like few I think have been quite far pre-recorded that I've just been so terrible at uploading recently, and I want to change that. My life has just been very intense and crazy and all of that fun stuff, but who cares about that? We're here for the video. Let's get the video going. So as you can probably tell by the title, as always, we're actually going to be doing a little bit of a looky-loo into what on earth this hashtag join the revolution gift bag is. So recently, Revolution Beauty was doing a kind of a deal on their website. So if you spent, I think it was like £30 or something, you get this free gift bag of £28 worth of makeup or something. So me being me, I went and spent like a load more than £30, but I was like, I want this. I want to see what on earth is in this because I'm intrigued, you know? It is like a Ziploc kind of bag. It's just nice to kind of like get different kind of makeup that you don't always generally look into stores and go, I'm gonna pick that up, because you do have certain makeups that you just naturally will pick up. This, however, means that I don't have the choice in what I get, and I have no idea how this works, whether it's like a generic everyone gets the same kind of stuff, or whether it's completely random, they just throw random stuff in it. But we're gonna see what's in here. It doesn't, like, it's difficult to say. No sounds are coming out of it, so yeah, we're gonna see what's in this. Okay, so I guess let's just get this bad boy opened. It's been killing me, it's been sat here for like ages, and I've wanted to open it for like forever. Ooh, that's something big. So this is what we're all experiencing and seeing right now. It's just a lot of bubble wrap, but there looks to be some kind of palette in there, which exciting times for me, because I absolutely need more. Oh, we have sponges. Sorry, I read it too quickly. What? Okay. I can't get this all out. Doesn't want to all come out. Ah, there we go. Whoa. So we have got quite a few little biddies here. So this is the bit that I saw first. So it's the I Heart Makeup by Makeup Revolution Unicorn Tier Silicone Sponges. I don't know if they're actually coloured or if they're just... I think they are actually coloured, which is quite cool. Colourful sponges, because you can never have enough sponges. We also have the I Heart Revolution Mermaid's Heart Highly Pigmented Eyeshadow Palette inspired by mermaids, which has these lovely shades. Let's take a little... I hope I'm doing this right and I'm not just going to break it. Well, it might help if I actually undo it. There is like a little bit of like a sticker to like keep it closed, which is good. Ooh, they're nice. Very like lot of metallic oceany colours, so maybe mermaid ocean makeup tutorial coming soon, who knows. They are like stunning, love that. Ooh, we also have a liquid lipstick. This is Lip Lava with vitamin E. Oh, that's cool. Is it the colour Shockwave? I think that might be what the colour name is. Ooh. This is fun. This is like... Is it actually that colour? I'm sorry, I've got to open this now. Oh, and it has like a spongy applicator thing. That is so cool. Oh my god, it is like freaking purple. Purple. I don't know if you can see it, but it is purple. Oh my god. Wow, that is so cool. I love that. I am gonna do like swatches and stuff in a second, but I just wanted to kind of just take a little bit of a look into everything because I'm super excited. And this, oh my god, it is another palette. It is the Parental Advisory Explicit Content palette. So many colours in this. Oh my goodness. Claw it open, mate. Claw it open. Oh, I love it. It's like one of those like funky changing ones. Oh, it's that way. Oh, look at that. I'm so easily entertained. Blop, 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 blop. So yeah, this is another makeup palette. Does that say get naked, use me up, be explicit? It does, but it's all like backwards and stuff. And it also comes with, you know, these little applicator things, which is nice. But yeah, so the colours in this palette are just to die for. You've got like some like lots of seemingly like nudish shades, which is nice. But like this line here, ooh, I've got like a nice deep green, a purple, a blue, and like, I don't know, it's like a granity blue shade, but a lot of mixes, so like some mattes in there, some shimmers, really nice, and of course the little applicators there, which are always nice to have. Yeah, I also realised as well, when I said that this was backwards, because it actually comes off and is meant to go on, you know, to protect it. So it does actually say, get naked, use me up, be explicit. Woohoo! Oh, honey. Wow. So we've totally got some like really cool things in there. So I'm super excited to try all of these. These look really cool. I do actually want to just open these up because I'm curious to see if they are actually coloured or if it's just like the background. Because I have got silicone sponges, but they are just plain. No, they're definitely coloured. Oh, they feel really cool. I've never really used the silicone sponges, but they are meant to be, you know, really good for like not absorbing product, and they feel really good. So I have those three to add to my addition of, you know, crazy brushes and things which just, you know, create a look. Oh, this is a look. Oh, maybe not. Oh, I'm falling to pieces. That one's staying though. Might just stay there for the rest of the episode. Just kidding. I'm way too distracted with all of these. Everything just looks amazing. Let's just try this out because I'm super curious to what it feels and smells like. It doesn't really have a scent, but I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna go like in without a mirror, so this could be rather disastrous. I don't even know if you can see it. I need a mirror because I don't know if I'm getting it on properly. I've definitely got some on because those lips don't look normal. Okay, so I have my little mirror here. Oh god, I can really see what it looks like. I've already butchered this completely. Oh well. So that colour is like intense as hell. Holy damn. I kind of like it though. It's a little bit different, a little bit edgy. I do like this application. Just trying to like feel the quality of it. Feels very like buttery, which is nice. But I think having that sponge application just kind of helps to like glide everything and smooth it all out, like as you're going. Because normally I'm like absolutely terrible at applying lipstick, but like this doesn't look that bad compared to like what I normally kind of, the mess that normally comes of my lipsticks. But yeah, I kind of like it. What do you guys think? Let me know, because yeah, it's quite an interesting colour. Again, this is why I like things like this, because I would never have gone out and gone, I need this colour in my life. But hey, I have this colour in my life now, so we're gonna work with it. So I'm gonna do some swatches now as well of the Mermaid's Heart palette. I wanna just like test as well for like how these shades feel. So I'm just gonna take this blue shade, which was, sorry, I'm not even showing it off. This one here. Gotta try and work out where. I'm gonna just take that off at the moment. Oh gosh, I'm so unprepared. Just to see. Ooh. Well, hello there. That is looking rather snazzy, I'd say. I like that. It's like a really kind of, it's got quite a fair amount of pigment to it. So let's try a couple of other shades. So this is like their brownie shade, which you can see there. Oh, that's very nice. It's like a bronzy, shimmered, like, I don't even know how to describe some of these, but it's really nice. And they also have this like pinkish, almost highlighter shade here. That is literally like matches, I wouldn't say it necessarily matches my skin tone, but like it could blend in really well as like a highlighter. So I do like that, that's nice. And they also have this like really nice green colour. Again, because this is all very ocean themed. Oh, that's like an emerald kind of shade. Oh, they look so good. I'm literally just like looking at this palette and I'm like, oh, what can we make out of this? I really love these colours. I think, you know, the texture, the like pigment that you get from them, really good. Love that. Love, love, love that. And of course, we've got to just give out a little try of this Parental Advisory Explicit Content palette. I won't do too many of these shades because there's quite a few in there. So let's just try this shade here because this looks quite nice. Feels quite buttery straight away. So I'm going to do this just here. Again, the pigment. I love it. It's just like straight whack. That is really nice. I've got to try this blue shade. It's like pretty much calling for me, you know. Oh, that's nice. They're not as like in your face as these, but they're still like really nice shades just to kind of play around with. And there's this like red shade here as well, which I'm going to just try here. Oh, that's nice. It's quite like a deep, I don't know, like a brownish red. It's like slight red undertones, but it's mainly like brown. That is really nice. Oh my god. And there's like a lot of like gold kind of tones as well. Like this one, this is the one that looks most gold-like, I'd say, out of all of them. And again, that just pops straight in there. That's nice. The feeling of this palette, it does feel really nice. You've got like a lot of colours in there. Obviously, these are only like teeny weeny little, you know, pans of colour, but I think overall this palette is actually really nice. You do get 36 shades in there, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, so that is in there. Really like that. Definitely gonna have to like try and worm this into a video at some point. But yeah, I think that was a really successful little collection there. Some things I wouldn't have like looked into. I definitely wouldn't have looked into these two, not gonna lie. Never really kind of got into like the mermaid side of things, because I know Revolution do have a lot on their mermaid kind of branding. And again, this lipstick, what? It still feels really nice. Like, it doesn't feel like it's dried out at all yet, which is nice, because normally like I find lipsticks really dry my lips out and make them like crusty. But this just still feels really like smooth. I don't know what it is about it, but I like it. I like it a lot. I'm gonna have to like look out for like these in the future and see if there's any more of them. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed that video of just me looking at random crap that come for free. But yeah, if you would like to see where I got this stuff from, obviously I would try and find them and get the links down below for you guys. And yeah, I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.